Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the specification details of the Realme 8i smartphone. Yes friends, the Realme very soon it's going to launch the Realme 8i device. Let's see what are the specifications which are slightly unique when compared with the previous Realme 8 series. That is what this video is about, and this exact design of the Realme 8i device. This is how the design looks, as you can see. So there's a 3 camera setup, so don't get confused. There's only 3 camera setup, and the 4th camera is of flashlight, so which looks kind of camera, but it's not the camera itself, it's only the flashlight. That's the one thing, don't get confused. So first thing is about the processor. The processor of the Realme 8i will come with the MediaTek Helio G96 processor, which is a 12 nanometer chipset, and phone comes with the Android 11 update and Mali G57 as well, the GPU. As you can see from the GPU, that's the thing about the performance about this phone, Realme 8i device. And in terms of the display, the phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, IPS LCD panel, and 6.59 inches of screen size. Not bad in terms of the display size as well. So these are the two things about the display and even the performance as well we got to know. And let's move to the next topic, which is the camera. And one more thing I forgot to mention, UFS storage 2.2 and 4GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. So we usually see 4GB plus 64GB, but right now we do have 128GB as well. That's another added advantage in this phone. And camera is of 50 megapixel 2+2. This is the combination exactly we are trying to see in this phone. As you can see friends, only 3 camera setup which is present at this point, and the 4th one is only flashlight, so don't get confused. As I said, it's only 3 camera setup, not the quad camera. And front cam is of 16 megapixel lens, and you can actually record at 1080 at 30 fps in the Realme 8i device without any kind of issues. That's the one thing. And there is no Wi-Fi 6. So right now in the mid-range segment, we did not see this kind of trend coming with the Wi-Fi 6. So let's see when we'll be getting the Wi-Fi 6 as well. So next thing, in terms of the battery, it's of 5000 mAh of battery capacity in this Realme 8i device. So these are the details about the specifications of upcoming device, which is a Realme 8i. So we are not sure about the fast charging, how much it can be there. Maybe it might be close to 30 watts, that is what I'm expecting. But overall, this is the exact design which we did see with the previous Realme 8i series as well. And only thing is the performance, which is a Helio G96 processor, as you can see, which is a Helio G96. That's the thing. And thank you for watching this video friends, and these are the few details about this Realme 8i device. In case if you are interested in any other phones, let me know in the comment section below. And see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.